Okay, I'm going to finish locking the blank into the fixture. You can see how it is. I'm going to turn the spindle on. On this machine, we have the spindle set up independently of the motor control, and the speed is adjustable depending upon what type of material you're running. So now I'm going to come over here and press cycle start. Well, okay, now you can see the machine moving. And it's cutting. All on its own. It's going to switch over and do the back side. Now, when it's finished, it automatically returns home. Turn off the spindle. Release the part. And this is what it just cut. A little off center, but still will work for the tensile testing that we want to use it for. I'm going to run this again, and I'm going to show you what's happening on the computer screen while it works.